Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can deactivate Instagram account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, you're simply gonna go ahead, open up your Instagram app on your phone. Then from over here you're gonna tap on this little profile icon given at the bottom right corner. Now I'm going to be tapping on this three horizontal line given on top right corner. And now from over here, simply tap on this account center. Then scroll a bit and tap on option of personal details. Then from over here, you're going to tap on this option of account ownership and control. Then you will find this kind of interface. You can check it out, memorialization and your deactivation or deletion. Tap on deactivation or deletion. Choose your particular Instagram account. Then make sure it's toggled on deactivate instead of delete. Now tap on continue and simply go ahead, add in your password and tap on continue. Now you just need to choose a reason for you to do that. Tap on continue and now tap on deactivate account and your account will be deactivated and you're good to go. That's how you can do it. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in our next video.